We're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the Ruby tags. It's 3 tags as a group, so I don't make individual videos about them. The main is the Ruby tag, and it specifies text that is attached to the main text. It's often used, for example, in Japanese, so if you have one of these symbols that have a certain meaning and you want to add the way to pronounce it to it, let me show you this. Inside of the Ruby, which is the main, we have our text or the symbol. And then we use RT tags to add the text that's attached to it. I call that text2, and this is usually the pronunciation. And it appears like this in the browser, so it's on top of the text right here. And this is usually the sign or the symbol. I don't want to pretend that I know Japanese or Chinese, but usually you have one of these symbols, whatever that means, and then you pronounce it on top. Additionally, there's an RP tag that is used if the browser doesn't support Ruby, so you can add brackets to it by using that. So opening bracket before the RT, and after it we need a closing bracket. It doesn't appear in my browser as my browser supports Ruby, but this is usually the format that you're going to encounter when you look for something like this on a website. And these are the basics of using the Ruby tags in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.